In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy your YouTube channel link on YouTube. For example, if you want to share your YouTube channel link to other social media or you want to send it to someone, this is how you're going to do it. Let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you've opened your YouTube profile like this. You're going to click on your profile. When you click on your profile, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, you wait for it to load, and then what you are going to do is you are going to go to your left side, and then you go down and then click where it is showing customization. So when you go on this customization, you are going to scroll down. You are going to scroll down until you reach where it is saying channel URL. So when you go here, you can see here, this is your YouTube channel link. So when you click on this one, you see link copied to clipboard. So you can get this link and share it to other social media platforms, or if you want to share with other people, this is how you can do it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.